Let's find the integral of these two functions. So the first one, we have the integral of sine squared theta, everything over cot theta cos cubed theta d theta. To start with, we realize that cot theta is equal to 1 over tan theta, which is the same as cos theta over sine theta. Then we can replace in our integral so that we can have sine squared theta, everything over cos theta over sine theta multiplied by cos cubed theta d theta. So since sine is in the denominator here, it's going to multiply with the numerator. So we're going to have sine cubed theta over this cos multiplied by cos cubed theta. We are going to have cos power 4 theta d theta. Then we can let u to be equal to cos theta, so that when you differentiate, you get du, which will be equal to negative sine theta d theta. Then splitting the function that we have here, we're going to have the integral of sine squared theta multiplied by sine theta, then everything over cos power 4 theta d theta. It's meaning that this part here is similar to this part. So to make it exact, we are going to multiply both sides by a negative. So we are going to have negative du is equals to sine theta d theta. Then since we've said u is equals to cos theta, wherever there is cos theta we can put sine theta. So our function is going to be the integral of sine squared theta multiplied by negative du, and everything over cos. We said where there is cos we put u squared, so we are going to put u power 4, u power 4 to represent cos power 4 theta. Then we realize that we have a sine squared theta here. Using the identity, this is simply equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. So we can replace in our main function so that we make our work easy. We are going to have 1 minus, where there is cos we put u, so u squared multiplied by negative du, then everything over u power 4. With this, we can simplify our work by taking out the negative outside. So we're going to have negative integral of 1 minus u squared multiplied by du, then everything over u power 4. Splitting our equation, we're going to have the integral of 1 over u power 4 minus the integral of u squared over u power 4 du. With this, we can simplify the inside, meaning we're going to have u power negative 4 minus, since it's the same base, we subtract the powers. Down here, we're going to have, when you subtract here, we're going to have a 2 here. So when you take it up, it's going to be u power negative 2. Then everything du. With this, now we can apply our integral, where we say negative of, you add the power 1 to the powers and divide by the new power, negative 4 plus 1, like that, to both the terms. So we're going for the first one, we're going to say negative 4 plus 1, it's negative 5, it's negative 3. Then everything over negative 3. Then minus, when you add the 1 here, it's going to be negative 1. then you divide by negative 1, so it's going to be u to power negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. Distributing the negative here, we're going to have negative and negative will cancel out, so we'll have u power negative 3 over 3. Then this negative and this negative will cancel out, and the negative that will come from the outside is going to be minus u power negative 1 plus c. This function simplifies to the original function where we said u is equals to cos theta. So we'll just replace and say it's cos negative 3 theta over 3 minus cos negative 1 theta over 1 plus c. So we take the cos down, so we're going to have 1 over 3 cos 3 theta minus 1 over cos theta plus c. This is our final integral.